Hello, scholars. In today's topic, we're going to talk about schedules and timelines. I want to start out with timelines because there's something that's incredibly useful to think about. Timelines is basically your entire time driven out on an entire line. So, for example, if in the morning I spent, when I woke up at 7 o'clock, 30 minutes eating breakfast, that means I would have ended at 7:30. And then right after that, if I spent 30 minutes getting to work, I would have finished at 8 o'clock getting to work. And if at work, right when I got there, I spent an hour getting ready for a meeting that I had in the morning, I would have finished at approximately 9 o'clock. See how much information this simple line can tell you? It basically breaks down for you your entire time and what you did between 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock. And notice for each activity, I have the length of time it took, as well as the starting time and the ending time. And that is incredibly important because sometimes on problems that you'll get, they'll omit something. This won't be there, but you'll have to figure out using the current information what that is. And currently you can find that by doing this. Well, if I started at 7:30 and it took me half an hour, then I must have ended at 8 o'clock. Just solving backwards pretty much from our fundamental equation that we've been talking about, that our final time minus our initial time is equal to our elapsed time. So that's that's timelines, but let's talk about schedules. And schedules are a very convenient way of figuring out where to go and how to put information down to tell other people where to go. You guys have probably seen something like a train schedule before or a bus schedule. Well, just know that schedules typically come in things called tables. And tables have rows, which go across. For example, this Main Street row goes across. And columns, which go up and down. And columns and rows tell you distinct pieces of information. For example, the rows here tell you the street at which the train will come and what time the train will come for each individual street. The columns here tell you that train that gets to Main Street at 6 o'clock, where it will be at 6:30, 8:30, 11:30, 11:45, 12:30, and 1 o'clock. See? You can look at the pattern and it will tell you exactly what the rows and columns represent. Similarly to class schedule, each row here tells you at a specific time what class the student should be in. This column going down tells you all the different times, and this column tells you all the different classes. So remember, the key to breaking down schedules is to divide it, think about what the rows tell you, and think about what the columns tell you. Once again, think about what the rows tell you, and think about what the columns tell you. I hope that was clear, and once again, good luck.